Hi everybody, I'm Đoàn. I'm very thanks for the watching this video. I will show you how to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation. If you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time, try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. Don't bother worrying about your mistake. You step with charming voices and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat the speaker on the tape. It's important to make English learning a part of your daily routine. You should take English as the food, learning from every mistake that you make. Thanks. Bye bye.